So recently I was working on my portfolio project, which I am converting from the tech stack that is React and express.js to Next.js. So for this video, we are going to work on this portfolio page, the resume and homepage. I've already implemented all this, and the reason why the data is not showing yet is the DB is not running right now. I don't have a Npm script that runs the DB from Docker Compose, so we need to do it manually. Okay, now I remember it's not in this directory, it's in the Docker project directory. Okay, now we can see the user data. Today I will build the portfolio page. And this is a sample that I need to build. As you can see, there are clickable portfolio project cards. And when I go into them, I can see the whole description of this project. But right now, there are no portfolio items in the DB. The items that are shown in the portfolio page, which are these portfolio items, is called portfolio item in the DB model. First, I need to add the operation that lets admin to create portfolio items. I need is admin ready to state here. So I will add a button near this portfolio text, which will be shown only to the admin. So if its admin is true, you will display a button. Right now it's not true, so I will comment this out for now. And button is shown here, but I want it to show near the portfolio text. So we can write a flex tailored classes real quick with a gap of 4. Is this good? Okay. Let's import the black button and make this a black button for a quick styling. This is fine for now. It's an on-click. Toggle create portfolio item for. I will write a quick pop-up. And we need a use state which holds the state of the visibility of the create portfolio item form. Initially, it will be hidden, so we are passing through. What's the problem there? There is no function specified in on-click. This is why. But I will also pass the events to learn the exact coordinates of this button and pop the form just near the button, just on the right corner of the button. The type of this event is what's the problem there? Yes. Okay. Here's how I get the click button into this function. Now let's write the pop-up form. With some inputs. If I navigate to portfolio item DB model, I see that, okay, in the form, in the creating form, we will only include the title and description inputs. So name of this will be title, and name of this will be description. Now, the visibility of this form will be controlled by is portfolio item hidden. If it is true, hidden table class will be there, and if it's false, nothing will be there. And initially, the portfolio form hidden use state is true. That's why we don't see the form right now. Okay. I click this button. I want this portfolio item form hidden use state to be negated. We really didn't add the set function. If I do this, I will see the form. If I click again, I will not see the form. Okay. Now we need to position it just near the button. That's why I need to set this as absolute. And this form will be positioned relative to the body. Or should I make it relative to the page? Let's make it relative to the page. We should probably need to extract the height of this navbar, but let's see for now. Let's get the coordinates of the button. Get bottom client react. I also need to use ref, right? I also need to use ref. Create portfolio item form, use ref. Initial value unknown or an empty object. Let's tag this with this ref. Let's type it correctly. If I type this null, and the error is gone. Okay. So we get directs and we need to set the style left, left, and what is this? No, here, no. Create portfolio item form. That card is possibly null. That number is not assignable to type string. Here I have added a no check. Why does something? Maybe I should add this copy inside here, and it didn't work again. Or okay, we see the other error, right? No. Right. Uncheck. Yes. Takes. And we should do this for top 2. Top. Okay, let's try. Yeah, like I told you, we need to extract. The height of this navbar is 52. Only from the top. Okay. But I want to also, or just forget about it. Let's finish this feature real quick. So the form is there, and we also need the submit button. Actually, we should have to. We are not have to write the type of this button. Submit, I can say. One click. When clicked, the create portfolio item function will be invoked, and in there we will make a request and get a response to a Next.js API route. But the route isn't there yet, so I will comment this out for now and go to admin routes, API admin, user is there, sign-in is there. I need to add a route for portfolio item, but it should be a folder. Let's add a create route with.ts. Let's write a post methods. Request is next request, right? And the response, next response .json. From there we will reach to portfolio item service, and in there is only a read all by user ID method. I also need to write the create method. It should return a response space, whether it's created or not. I will cover the Prisma function call into try catch block for create function. If the portfolio item can't be created, the code will be cached into the catch block, the error actually. And in there, the success is false and message portfolio item couldn't create it. Fine. Also, let's add this function to there. Evet, portfolio item.create. Create. This method should accept a create portfolio item detail. The data transfer objects. Now I need to add the type of this detail object. Where are we right now? We are in detail folder, and we also need a folder for portfolio item, but not inside user, inside detail. Create portfolio item detail dot